When I was 15 months old, I contracted polio. I was admitted into the Los Angeles Orthopaedic Hospital in 1949. I was paralyzed from the neck down, and my treatment began living in an iron lung. I had 12 surgeries by the time I was 19 years old. I grew up at Orthopedic Hospital. The doctors were my father. The nurses were my mother. They were family to me. When I had pain, they comforted me. I have a life. It's been productive. My first job with the City of Commerce, I started out as a part-time recreation leader, and 30 years later, I retired as a city administrator. And it was all thanks to the beginning at Los Angeles Orthopaedic Hospital.
When I was pregnant, I went for regular ultrasounds, and they didn't tell me anything was wrong. And then when she was born, I knew something was wrong. They showed me her hand, and her hand was webbed. I was scared thinking about her hand, but so excited to have my baby girl. We have been treated really good at Los Angeles Orthopaedic Hospital. The doctors were amazing when we first came. She just gave us hope. She told us she could give her fingers, that she would be able to ride a bike someday and be able to hold pencils or do anything that she wanted to do. We've gone through 5 surgeries, and they've just done so much. They would give Loralynn assignments and tell them, we really want you to work with this with your hand. And she would be so excited to come back and tell them, look what I can do.
I'm a California kid. I was born and raised here. My father was a police officer, my mom a teacher. When I was doing my undergrad at UCLA, I had an opportunity to work in a children's clinic that specialized in limb deficiencies. And it was there that I really figured out that I wanted to be a doctor. In pediatric orthopedics, we make kids better. And what we do is give them the opportunity to be healthy and successful. It's really tough to top that. I came to Los Angeles Orthopaedic Hospital 3 years ago. What attracted me was its history and commitment to excellent care for kids. Orthopedic Hospital is a leader in research and education, especially biomechanics, and is training the next generation of orthopedic surgeons. We have an outstanding alliance with UCLA. We have incredible pediatric orthopedic faculty. And we actually have the busiest pediatric trauma program in the country. We treat kids in Calexico and Mexico who would never get treated if we weren't there. We have a team here committed to taking care of kids' problems regardless of their financial circumstances.
The care I received inspired me to live a life that had meaning, that had hope that I can give to others. There's nothing more important to share.
The people here at Los Angeles Orthopaedic Hospital have really become a part of our life. Most kids don't want to go to the doctor, but my daughter loves to come here.
I never cease to be amazed by the resiliency and strength of our patients and their families. I love my work.